Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Radha. As you guys probably see from the title, I will be doing day in my life of my spring break. And yeah, I think this is gonna be fun. I only have 1 week off, so I try to get as productive as I can. I just took a shower, did makeup and hair, and yeah, now I feel put together and I like that. What my plan today is to get a nail done or maybe some grocery. I probably do some grocery shopping. I just got new contact lens, so I need to buy some eye drop, keep my eyes moisturized. Actually, this contact lens can be used for like 6 months, so this is pretty good. And also I see things very clearly right now and I am so happy about that. I'm probably gonna talk about this contact lens in another videos, but yeah, stay tuned. My outfit of the day, the cardigans from Yes Style, top from Yes Style, the jean from Yes Style as well. So I am back. It's just raining so hard. I got some new drink to try. This is the chocolate almond. It's actually pretty good. Yum yum yum. I just got the nail done. Here we go. I will go stop by Asian market because I need to buy some vegetable to make a noodle. So yeah, let's do that. Here is actually how my nails look like. Pretty happy about it, which is could be a little bit longer. It would be very nice, but it's okay. Anyway, I am going to clean my room and we'll prepare the chicken because I just bought some vegetable from the Asian market to make a noodle soup. I haven't eaten that for a while, so I need to clean this thing so much. It just looks so gross. This corner always messy. I just got the packet from Sarah and Yes Style. Here's how the rooms look like right now. Very messy, so I need to clean a little bit. I'm going to show you guys what I got from Sarah. This one is my most favorite. I got this chunky boot from Sarah and I got it for like $49.90. Very good deal with this kind of quality. I sized up a little bit and it fits me perfectly. So if you're interested in this boot, I would recommend to size up for like 1 or half size. It's just so chunky. I like it.
like you hurt me too, me too. We're letting go,
I just finished workout and I prepare my peanut. Usually I like to put it outside so the squirrels can come and eat it. That is what I do in the morning. I usually like to see the squirrel coming and pick some peanuts, and yeah. Now I'm gonna go to take shower and then I'll see you guys soon. Alright guys, I am in the car. I'm going to downtown. Gonna do something fun there. But first we are going to Starbucks because I really like the drink that I got it yesterday. So I'm going to order it again. Here's my outfit of the day. Super cute. I just got the packet from yesterday and I just wore it immediately because I love it so much. It's just super cute. I have 2 hours before I get to the work. So we're going to do something fun before I am going to work. I will see you guys then. Bye. I am in downtown. I'm walking around, just having fun.
We were undiscovered, didn't care for one another, you and I.